Hello everyone, I am teacher Kelly and for today we will review for your speaking test. What's your name? How old are you? Where do you study English? Are you ready for your speaking test? What did you do last weekend? I visited my grandparents. What did you do last weekend? Where did you go last Sunday? I went to the park. Where did you go last Sunday? Did you watch TV yesterday? Yes, I did. Did you watch TV yesterday? What did you have for breakfast this morning? I had bread and milk. What did you have for breakfast this morning? Where did you study English yesterday? I studied English at home. Where did you study English yesterday? When did you finish your homework? I finished it at 8 o'clock. When did you finish your homework? Did you play sports last weekend? Yes, I did. I played badminton. Did you play sports last weekend? Now please tell a short story, 6 to 7 sentences. The topic is tell us about your last weekend. Last weekend, I visited my grandparents. I went there with my parents. We had lunch together and talked a lot. In the afternoon, I played with my cousins. Then we went to the park near their house. We had a great time together. I was very happy. Now it's your turn. Please tell us a short story about 6 to 7 sentences. The topic is tell us about your last weekend. Well done, students. Now please answer my questions. Where are you going this summer? I'm going to Danang. Where are you going to go this summer? Who are you going to travel with? I'm going to travel with my family. Who are you going to travel with? Are you going to visit your grandparents this summer? Yes, I am. Are you going to visit your grandparents this summer? What are you going to do at the beach? I'm going to swim and take photos. What are you going to do at the beach? Are you going to stay in a hotel? Yes, I am. Are you going to stay in a hotel? What food are you going to eat? I'm going to eat seafood. What food are you going to eat? Are you going to buy souvenirs? Yes, I am. Are you going to buy souvenirs? Now let's talk about my summer holiday. Please answer the question for about 6 to 7 sentences. This summer, I'm going to visit Danang with my family. We are going to travel by plane. We are going to stay in a hotel near the beach. I'm going to swim in the sea and take many photos. We are going to eat delicious seafood. I'm going to buy some souvenirs for my friends. I think the trip is going to be very fun. Now it's your turn. Please answer my summer holiday plan about 6 to 7 sentences. Well done, students. Now look at the pictures and find the differences. In picture A, the flowers are white, but in picture B, they are red. In picture A, the door is open, but in picture B, it is closed. In picture A, the man has got one bag, but in picture B, he has got two bags. In picture A, the boy is playing with a robot, but in picture B, he is playing with a toy car. In picture A, the woman is wearing a hat, but in picture B, she isn't wearing a hat. Now, students, it's your turn to answer. Look at the pictures and find the differences. Well done, students. See you in the next video.